Good day, my name is Richard and a warm welcome to Tutoring with Richard, where we cover the South African school syllabus and native topics. If you find these videos helpful, please consider supporting me on PayPal, Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. Links in the description box below. Today we're going to cover Strength of Materials in 6. The topic of this tutorial is a mixed bag of exam DP test questions, round 6, question 1. The topic is equal leg tripods. The question is included in the video and the description box below. We have been asked to issue a cautionary note. When doing these questions, please use the method I am going to show you, as this is the method that is marked correct. Using your own method to answer questions could cost you marks, even though your method and the answer might be right. See cautionary note at the beginning of the video. Let's get straight into it. Okay, for an equal leg tripod, we have our legs. So our equal leg tripod looks something like this. Our equal leg tripod looks something like this. All the legs, A, B and C, are all 6 meters. They're all 6 meters long. And the dotted lines in between now this is where it differs. So AC and AB, AC and AB, these two are going to be 5 meters and 5 meters, and this is B and C is 6 meters. Okay, and the load coming from here all the way down is 30 kilonewtons for the load. Alright, so how are we going to draw this? First of all, is we need a line. Okay, next is our scale. I'm going to use a 1:4 scale. You will use a 1:1 scale. So please keep that in mind. So, AO equals BO equals CO. And that is 6 meters. 6 times 4, 24. 6 equals 24. And 5 and 6, so AB equals AC equals 5 equals 20, and BC equals 6 equals 24. Right, and our scale for our force scale, our force scale is 30 kilonewtons, which equals 15 to me. 15 kilonewtons to me, which is half scale, which is 1:2. Right, so this is a 1:2 scale, and this is a 4:1 scale for me. Right, so first things first is we draw a line. Now, not too low and not too high. We draw a line. We draw our center line. Now, what we're going to do is draw a line. It can be anywhere on this line, but our point is going to be 24. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. So 12. Right, so this is C, and that's B. And now we are going to use our pericompass. Now, what we're going to do is say that AB, from AB and AC is 5 meters. So that is 20. So it goes all the way to there. So it goes from there to there, from there to there. Okay, now from AO, BO and CO are all 6 meters, so that's 24. So we are going to draw, use our compass again, and draw 24. This is going to be there. 24. And there's our line. Now we join our lines together. This is O, and that is A. Right, A we don't do anything with now. We don't draw anything to it or anything coming from it. So now this time, we're going to draw this. Alright. Now, what we're going to do is draw another line. Now we've drawn the side view. Now we're going to we've drawn the top view. Now we're going to draw the side view. Right, so now we are going to go from here, O. We're going to go to O. We need A now. We definitely need A now. Right. So now that I have these lines, I can bring them up. I can bring them all up. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to use our compass again and put them here between B and O. Then we will draw an arc. Now we will take our pair of compasses again. Take a 24. All right. So that's where it meets the curve. So we will draw from there to there. And from here to there. And from here to there. Alright. So now this is O. And now a perpendicular line straight from the middle. Hangs down. Our perpendicular line hangs down. Now what we're going to do is say 15 for me, 15 centimeters, which is down here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our protractor, not a protractor, our set square. We're going to take our set square and take it from here, move it up, take it to there. Now we're going to do the same over here on this side. Alright. Now what we do now is take our pair of compasses again and go from here to that middle point of here. We take it and we draw an arc over here on this side. Okay. So now we take this line and we draw a line perpendicular, or the same parallel. We draw a parallel line there. We go from here and we draw a parallel line over here. Okay. Now what we do, this is S, that is T, that is A, that is D, and that is O. Okay? Now what we're going to do is measure from here to here. In my case, it is 7 OA equals 7 kilonewtons. From here to here, OS and OT are both exactly the same because it's all an equal leg tripod, and that is 14 kilonewtons and 14 kilonewtons. So don't forget, when you're doing these, you can be 2 places out. At maximum, you can be 2 places out. So this is the correct answer. If you get 5 or 9, you will still be marked correct, because there is you are allowed a margin of error. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm and to grow the channel. Positive feedback is most welcome. I enjoy reading your comments. Please use the comments section to let me know what topics you would like me to cover in upcoming videos. Be at peace, be kind to each other, and remember, passing well is achievable. Have a great day. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.